What's going on, good people? I just finished singing the national anthem for a Ruck March on Post in remembrance of 9/11. It was an honor to be able to pay my respects in that way. For everybody who knows me, you know how much I love Nat King Cole. And when I came to my room, I just, hopped on my phone, social media thing, and I stumbled across a link to a song by Nat King Cole. I had never heard him sing, and I thought I heard just about every song he sang. It's called September in the Rain. Of course, that song was made in the 40s, but hearing it now, on this day, and after, the event that took place, I feel like that song has a different meaning, at least feels that way. And I wanted to share it with everyone. Here it is. The leaves of brown came tumbling down, remember, in September, in the rain. The sun went out just like an ember in September, in the rain. For every word of love I heard you whisper, the raindrops seem to sing a sweet refrain. Spring is here to reinstill September, in September, in the rain. So yes, I think that song is very beautiful and serene, and I pray everyone has a good day, and that you take a moment to remember those, not just on 9/11, but throughout the course of time, who have tragically lost their lives for no good reason at all, and that we turn that into a reason so that their death is not in vain, and that we fight for justice, and we fight for a better world, not for us, but for our future.